In this video, we'll cover the problems associated with the rear quarter window motor regulator on the 04 to 09 Mercedes CLK Convertible. If you have the 99 to 03 Mercedes CLK Convertible, please check out our YouTube channel for that video. We'll also provide a link below. We promise if you watch this complete video, you'll not only save hundreds of dollars when replacing your rear quarter window motor regulator, but also receive a part that has the latest modifications available and is backed with our lifetime warranty. Once the regulator has been removed, it should look something like this. The cable has come off the top plastic pulley. In many cases, the lift plate clip has wedged itself against the regulator support bar. This is an example of the damage that can occur if the window switch is used after the regulator failure. As you can see, the cable has wrapped itself around the regulator support, causing damage to the regulator itself. In this picture, the cable has wrapped around the spool and output shaft of the motor, which has caused damage to the faceplate seal, leaving the motor vulnerable to moisture or water intrusion. Keep in mind these are miniature cable winches that can produce a lot of torque and can cause a lot of collateral damage to the assembly. One of the main reasons we don't sell kits is until the motor regulator has been properly evaluated for not only what caused the failure, but also secondary damage, it would be impossible to know what parts are needed to complete the repair. Check out our website at windowmotorworld.net for more information on this topic. Over the past 26 years, Window Motor World has rebuilt tens of thousands of window motors and regulators. Every day we use a special insight to make critical modifications to OEM parts that meet or exceed today's standards. The way we look at it is we are not only recycling OEM parts, but also creating a superior product over the factory. Window Motor World offers our customers a couple of different ways to save a lot of money and end up with a part that has been updated with the latest modifications using our exclusive technology. Option 1. You can send in your complete window motor regulator, and within 24 hours after we receive it, we rebuild it and send it back to you. Option 2. You can purchase the in-stock window motor regulator that includes a core deposit. After you complete the installation, just put your old used broken part back in the box and ship it back to us for the core refund. This option speeds up the downtime of the vehicle. For free tech support and updated pricing and availability, please call 800-252-2649, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thanks for watching.